I want to take you today on a tour of Living Waters Food Garden. Behind me, we have a lovely apricot tree, which works wonderfully in Las Vegas. And as you can see, it produces a great harvest. There's going to be a lot of apricot jam in our client's future. So come along with me and I'll show you the rest of the garden. So in my garden, I have 7 different beds that we've built up into garden boxes, and we have really good soil in here, and we have a really good irrigation system. We use Gardening in Minutes garden grids as our irrigation system for all of our gardens, personally and at Living Water. And the reason why is because it gives consistent watering throughout the whole bed. Now, if you're going to garden in Las Vegas, having automated irrigation is absolutely the key. You just won't be successful without an automated irrigation system. Can't stress that enough. But if you look over here, I have a Roma tomato plant. This is super fun. Gardening for food is just a hobby, and it is a lot of fun. We have peppers here, and then a whole bunch of scallion that are gonna be ready to harvest probably in about September. They're not quite ready yet. We have basil, which is a great companion plant for tomatoes. And then we've got these fun sunflowers that are starting to get mature. We have more tomatoes. These are early girl tomatoes. As I mentioned in another video, when we have tomatoes, we have indeterminate and determinate. A determinate crop means you get like one big bumper crop right at the beginning. And then once this crop comes in, there's no more crops afterwards. An indeterminate plant, you keep getting a crop throughout the growing season. Got some eggplants in here. You really can grow just a variety of different things here in Las Vegas, surprisingly. And this is a cabbage from the winter crop that I just haven't gotten around to pulling out yet. So that's kind of interesting. I need to put that on my to-do list. And over here, we had a whole variety of different kinds of lettuces that are past their prime. Gardens do take a lot of work. So if you're going to have a successful food garden, you need to be prepared to spend some time maintaining it. And as you can see, they get wild and kind of unruly. So you just need to be prepared for that as well. Another thing that I like to plant with food and with fruits and vegetables are flowers. So these draw in the pollinators, and they help to pollinate the different foods. Here we have spaghetti squashes, so those will be great. They'll be ready in probably about 3 weeks, I would say. Here we have herbs galore. We have enough sage to supply Thanksgiving around the world. We have parsley here, we have thyme, we have a cute little pepper growing. And then back here is dill, which I've allowed to bolt because the pollinators are attracted to it. This is past its prime and ready to be pulled out as well. Behind me here, we have a mission fig. Figs do wonderful in Las Vegas. They're a great plant, probably my #1 favorite fruiting plant in Las Vegas, fruiting tree. And here is my giant squash plant. I'm fighting my nemesis, which are squash bugs. So in the summertime, you do have to deal with pests. So that's where regular maintenance comes in, coming and looking at your garden, looking at your plants, manually pulling off the pests if you have to, because we want to keep an organic garden. So squash bugs are a big pain in the neck, and I don't quite know how to solve that problem. If you have any tips while keeping an organic garden on how to eradicate squash bugs, please comment and let me know. Thank you so much. And this is our pomegranate. Pomegranate's another excellent tree for Las Vegas. Hours of entertainment here in the garden. Thanks so much for watching.